Hi, I'm Nash, and today we're cooking and trying some famous Outdoor Boys bread and seeing how good it tastes. Home sweet home. Keep this out of the blizzard. Let's get a fire going. Alright, we got a fire. Now it's time for the whole point of this video. I brought some nice bread dough. It's actually Outdoor Boys bread. And of course, honey butter. So let's start cooking this once the fire gets down to some nice coals. Man, it is beautiful out here. Nice gentle blizzard. Fire burns awfully slow when you're excited for some honey butter bread. I think we got enough coals in there. Let me check. Nope, probably another maybe 15 minutes. I've got an idea. Since the coals aren't that big from the sticks not being big logs, I can just use this camping pot and it will work just as well. Let's thaw out our honey butter too. It's a little bit frozen. I'm just going to set it right next to our bread. Alright, I think it's ready. Has a nice crust on it. So let's take it. It's kind of hot. And we put it in this little bowl. Now take our honey butter, nice and melted. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Nice and warm with the sweetness. Look how fluffy it is on the inside. That's just amazing. Luke knows what he's doing. That was good. Now let's put out this fire and get out of here. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe, like, and do all those things. I put out videos just like this every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, or sometimes Monday. And if you enjoyed it, then make sure to come back next time. And I'll see you in my next one.